As the Director General of ACI Asia-Pacific, I'm delighted to welcome you to our flagship event, the ACI Asia-Pacific Regional Assembly, Conference and Exhibition, which will take place from May 16 to May 18 in the Japanese city of Kobe. Our theme this year is Asia-Pacific and Middle East Take-Off, from recovery to global leadership. Indeed, despite traffic being progressively recovering from the crisis, success cannot simply be taken for granted, but rather be seen as a potential outcome of a process of transformation and innovation to become more competitive. It is exciting that this year's event is returning to its full potential after a 3-year break due to the pandemic, with more than 400 industry executives, leaders and experts expected to gather in Japan. This conference is an opportunity to learn innovative business models, interact with leading decision makers, exchange ideas and build strategic partnerships. So we look forward to meeting you in Kobe.